Hi, I'm Lauren with Wood Grain, and today we're going to show you how to do an elegant molding buildup. Let's get started. I'm back with Pete from Wood Grain. Pete, you want to tell us a little bit about the project we're doing today?
Yeah, so today's an exciting project. We're going to take a classic board and batten design. We're going to add a little wrinkle to things, to add a little embellishment to things. So what we're going to do here is we're going to frame this wall out with some 1x6s, and then we're going to create some verticals for that classic board and batten design. But the little twist on this is we're going to use a little base cap 163 to add a little decorative buildup. So I think it's going to be a great little design and should be pretty simple to install. So a great little tip here that we're borrowing from our Tips with Tom segments on our YouTube channel. Definitely check that out. And it's perfect for a project like this, especially when we're working with corners, is using the old tape measure trick and knowing that instead of bending to make measurements where it might not be accurate, knowing in this case, this tape measure is 3 inches in length. So when you're doing your measurements, especially at corners, you just have it right here where you want the tape measure and add 3 inches right here so you don't have to bend it. It's a great little tip that makes measuring easy.
So we've measured and cut. We're almost done installing. What's next?
So this is going by very smoothly. We've already done the first 2 panels. Now we have the board and batten framework. We just have to add that base cap 163 to give that little build-up look to things. Then we just use a caulk, and then we paint, and we're good to go.
This looks really good. It's amazing how molding can really transform a space.
It's really true, and all we're using for this is some 1x6 and some base cap 163, which you can find at Home Depot, so easy to find. And also what's really great about this design, Warren, is we're using a traditional board and batten design, which is usually a craftsman style, but by adding this base cap, or whatever sort of embellishment you want to use for that buildup, you can really transform this into a colonial or even Victorian if you go a little more ornate with that buildup. So great little design, pretty easy to install too. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and follow us across all our social media platforms at We Are Wood Grain.
If there's any accent walls you'd like to see, comment below.
All right, Lauren, I think we had another good one today. Quick and easy and looks great.
Yep.
Nice job.